Well, today I'll video the Argo Willis train. The Argo Willis train is the fastest train on the South Railway, and this is the fastest. It can go to 120 kilometers. Well, the trademark of the train is the F. F is for the trademark. The can reach to 120 kilometers. And this, I believe I videoed yesterday, is using a sticker. It's the there's a Lebaran or the Ramadan. And I remember, yes it does look. The Argo Willis train KA6C from Bandung Station to Cipeundeuy to Surabaya Gubeng Station. Already departure from Bandung Station. Here it is, Argo Willis train. There you go. "21 complete. The Argo Willis train already departure, already passed me, and already departure from Bandung Station, ready to arrive at Cipeundeuy Station. Goodbye until the destination, K A Argo Willis train, until arrive at Surabaya Gubeng Station. See you tomorrow afternoon."